Hi, let us understand about GST analysis in a purchase transaction in Kitaabh. Let me quickly edit the transaction. And you can see in the additional details, you have a specific section for GST analysis. And you can see 4 different tabs. In the current tab, you have details of your supplier like the GST registration type, the registration status and the transaction type, and the return period. At the bottom of this tab, you also have a reference being given to the relevant table in a GSTR 3B monthly return, which talks about 4B1, which is specifically for your input tax credit. Under a GST rates tab, you have details of your stock item like the HSN details, the taxable value, the taxability, and the ITC eligibility. You have an option to change the ITC eligibility based on the nature of your business. The GST rate, the ledger into which the GST is being calculated, and the name and the table reference number in GSTR monthly return. Under HSN summary, you have details of the stock item again, which is the HSN number, the description, the units of measurement, the quantity as per the purchase transaction, the total value, and the GST value. And under GST summary, it gives you the specific GST, whether it is an IGST, CGST, or SGST, and the amount of GST applicable for this specific transaction. This summarizes our GST analysis in a purchase transaction in Kitaabh.